Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be opening another Shining Fates Elite Trainer box and 8 Battle Stars packs. So to get started, I'll do the Battle Stars packs first. Okay, Grass Energy, Glasgow Bruno, Mustard, Houndour, Shinx, Gligar, Spoink, Bronzor, Reverse Hollow Drampa, and Corviknight V. Okay. Don't know if the Corviknight is a big pull or not. We'll find out later. Okay. Moving on. They've actually glued this pack in. Okay. Guess I'll open it from the bottom. Okay. Dark Energy, Glasgow Bruno, Mustard, Blipbug, Ponyard, Mankey, Sizzlepede, Boltoy, Tower of Waters, Galarian Slowbro. Okay. Rock Energy or Fighter Energy, Camping Gear, Seadra, Scroll Swells, Zubat, Remoraid, Onyx, Mawile, Cherubi, Reverse Hollow Mankey, and Victory Bell. Fighter Energy, Rock Energy, Dottler, Doublade, Pignite, T-Pig, Pachirisu, Minfu, Boltoy, Galarian Mr. Mime, Reverse Hollow Fomantis, and Licky. Okay. Electric Energy, Golbat, Bruno, Carkol, Murkrow, Horsey, Cherubi, Lickitung, Electabuzz, Reverse Hollow Minfu, and Primeape. Yeah. Okay, Fighter Energy, Weepinbell, Phoebe, Honchkrow, Zubat, Remoraid, Onix, Mawile, Cherubi, Reverse Holo Zubat, and Colossal. So another one that's glued in. Yep. Okay. Dark Energy, Doublade, Pignite, Scroll of Swells, Galarian, Mr. Mime, Fomantis, Spearow, Zubat, Cubone, Reverse Holo Spoink, and Jellicent. Okay, last Battle Styles pack. Add a bit of glue up top here as well. At least this one came out. Okay. Okay, Metal Energy, Honchkrow, Bruxish, Carnivine, Honedge, Gligar, Electabuzz, Bellsprout, Bronzor, Reverse Holo Frillish, and Aegislash. No, that's all for the Battle Stars packs. Now to move on to the Shining Fates Elite Trainer box. Player's Guide. Pokemon Trading Card Game Rules Book. You got Eevee sleeves, energies, another Eevee VMAX, an Eevee VMAX. I think this is my 4th or 5th of these now. Code card. Damage counters, dice, box dividers, and the 10 packs. Come on, Charizard. Water Energy, Gym Trainer, Luxio, Dartrix, Nickit, Rowlet, Trapinch, Weasel, Coughing, Rillaboom VMAX, and Manaphy. I think this is my 3rd one of these now. Dark Energy, Thwackey, Rusted Sword, Rotom, Yanma, Morpeko, Coughing, Gossifleur, Cacnea, Corviknight, and Dreadnought, non-holo. If there are any cards that you are interested in, there is a link to my online store in the description. And I also, for anyone who is in Adelaide, South Australia, I also set up a stall at Jeps Cross Markets every Sunday. And Anzac Day, I will be at the Comic and Toy Fair. I'll be there all day. So if there's any cards here that you're interested in, I will be happy to see anyone that's interested there. If not, there is a link in the description for my online store. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and turn the notification bell on, so you can get notified of every video I post. Alright. Grass Energy, Thwacky, Floatzel, Tropius, Trudel, Eevee, Horsey, Cacnea, Shinx, Reshiram, Amazing Rare, and Thievul. Don't care about Thievul. Look at that. It's the first Reshiram Amazing Rare I've seen. Alright, moving right along. Okay, Electric Energy, Dartrix, Ballguy, Cramorant, Snom, Grookey, Spinarak, Shinx, Horsey, Reverse Holo Dreadnought, and non-holo Celebi. Okay, Fire Energy, Tropius, Luxio, Gym Trainer, Trudel, Nickit, Grookey, Yanma, Morpeko, Galarian Yamask, and Manaphy. Getting some nice pulls from this box. Thievul's not worthy of being there. Okay. Fire Energy, Rotom, Rusted Sword, Floatzel, Morpeko, Spinarak, Breezel, Rowlet, Trapinch, Reverse Holo Morpeko, and Crobat V. Finally, another card I don't have yet. Okay, 4 more packs. Alright, 4. Okay, Psychic Energy, Rotom, Rusted Shield, Eldegoss, Spinarak, Snom, Grookey, Eevee, Morpeko, Reverse Holo Professor's Research, and non-holo Professor's Research. Down to the last 3. Okay, Metal Energy, Rusted Shield, Floatzel, Thwacky, Spinarak, Shinx, Coughing, Horsey, Grookey, Reverse Holo Thwacky, and non-holo Volcanion. Yeah, last 2. Okay. Water Energy, Gym Trainer, Cramorant, Tropius, Spinarak, Snom, Horsey, Rowlet, Morpeko, Cramorant Reverse Hollow, and Galarian Weezing. Okay, now time for the last Shining Fates pack. Okay, Dark Energy, Floatzel, Team Yellowtower, Rotom, Nickit, Gossifleur, Cacnea, Cufant, Weasel, Grimmsnarl V, and Celebi non-holo. Okay. Alright, so if anyone is interested, there is a link to my online store in the description. All of these cards that you see right now will be on that store for sale. If you're in Adelaide, South Australia, more than welcome to come see me at Jeps Cross Market on a Sunday. I'm there generally until 11 o'clock in the morning. I'm trying to post at least Monday, Fridays. All depends on what I can get in stock, but I'm doing my best to do it. See you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.